Hey guys, I'm Ali Reza Haqqi from Iran. In this video I'm gonna show you a really simple method for denesting the cube radicals in form of the cube root of a plus b the square root of c. In my previous video we solved a cubic equation from the derivative method. And we found the first root of this equation as follows. After simplification of this root, we reach the last expression. As you can see, here we have two cube radicals in form of the cube root of a plus b the square root of c. The most simple way for simplification of these radicals is to use an online calculator or calculating apps like for example MATLAB graphing calculator, as you can see. But to denest and simplify the cube radicals manually, we should follow these steps. First of all, we can rewrite the cube radicals as a function of a and b. We can rewrite our first cube radical, the cube root of negative 10 plus 9 the square root of negative 3 equals a plus b the square root of negative 3. And our second cube radical, the cube root of negative 10 minus 9 the square root of negative 3 equals a minus b the square root of negative 3. Then we can multiply these two expressions to reach the last expression, a squared plus 3b squared equals 7. The first step is to guess the values of a squared and 3b squared. Let's try 1 and 6, which the sum of them is the sum of 1 and 6 equals 7. Then we'll have a equals positive and negative 1 and b equals positive and negative square root of 2. The second step is to check out the guessed values. We can we can take these two expressions to the power of 3. There's no difference which one do you choose. Here we choose the first expression. We take both sides of this expression to the power of 3. And after simplification of this expression, we will have a cubed minus 9a b squared equals negative 10 and 3a squared b minus 3b equals 9. Let's put the guessed values in these expressions to see if they satisfy them or not. First we choose a equal to positive 1. By putting the value of a in the first expression, a cubed minus 9ab squared equals negative 17, that is not equal to negative 10. So a cannot be positive 1. Let's put a equal to negative 1 in our first expression. As you can see, the value of this expression equals positive 7 now, and this is not equal to negative 10 too. So our guessed values for a are not correct. The next step is to change the guessed values and check them out. We had this expression a squared plus 3b squared equals 7. Our new guess can be a squared equals 4 and 3b squared equals 3, which the sum of them is equal to 7. And here we have a equals positive or negative 2 and b equals positive or negative 1. Let's check them out by putting them in the following expressions. These are equal to these expressions. Okay. First we examine a equals positive 2. As you can see, a cubed minus 9ab squared equals negative 10. So a equals positive 2 is a correct guess. Now we should examine the value of b to understand b is equal positive 1 or negative 1. First we try the positive value. We should put the value of b in the second expression. 3a squared b minus 3b equals 9, and here this equals 9. So the value of b is positive 1. And we found that the correct values for a and b are 2 and 1. The last step is to rewrite the cube radicals as a function of a and b. The cube root of negative 10 plus 9, the square root of negative 3 equals 2 plus the square root of negative 3, and the cube root of negative 10 minus 9 the square root of negative 3 equals 2 minus the square root of negative 3. And now we can simplify the root of our cubic equation, the first slide, by rewriting these cube radicals. We have x1 equals 2. I hope you enjoy the method. Please subscribe and like the video, and bye bye.